Okay, I'm going to show you how to fill or refill your new EAGems cordless soldering iron with butane for the first time. So what you want to do is make sure that you're in a well-ventilated area with no fire or ignition source near when you're filling it. Turn it up. Locate the fill valve on the end. Brace it on a solid surface. Place the nozzle of the fill can in. Press and hold it down for about 10 seconds or until you see some butane coming out. Right there. Release it. The canister will feel cold to the touch, but let it set for about 2 or 3 minutes for the fuel to stabilize, and then you'll be ready to use it.